Actually, our whole family has been in Dr. Wilhite's office for one reason or another. Both my children have had full braces from Dr. Wilhite. I've had some retainer issues fixed through Dr. Wilhite, and now my husband is going to be the last patient of Dr. Wilhite's, and he's getting braces. Well, we were new to the area, and first we started out finding a dentist, and when my children went through their initial exams with the dentist, we knew that orthodontal work was needed, and so I asked Dr. Yarborough, and he suggested Dr. Wilhite, and it was also real close to the house, and that's all I needed. I trusted Dr. Yarborough's opinion and suggestion, and that was all I needed. Oh, my kids use the games. I'm not sure exactly what they're called these days, but my son loves the games, and actually my daughter's into wooden nickels, and so they love the wooden nickel aspect and didn't really realize because they kept throwing them in their drawers, and they came on and off for a few years, and when they added them all up, I think Hannah had something like 3 different gift certificates to Walmart and the AMC movies, and there's quite the competition going on between the two of them on who would get the most wooden nickels, and usually it was my daughter that won that one. And eventually I think Kyle ended up giving Hannah his wooden nickels, and they split the coupon, I think, or the gift certificate. It's a reward system, I guess, if they haven't broken any wires, or the cleanliness, how well they've kept that up. And I think it's a grading system of A through D, and we've seen A's and we've seen D's. And that's how it goes. Oh, it was pretty and clean and relaxed. I think that's real important, because when you've got kids, it's always crazy, and we as moms and carpools, we're running. And I always seem to kind of come in, and the gals behind the desk are always just calm and friendly, and the waiting room's always really a nice place to sit and relax, and it's just a really calm environment. Absolutely. And I do enjoy visiting with the gals behind the desk, and this is such a small community. You'll see all your friends here too. There's never a time that I'm not walking in the office and there isn't a neighbor or a friend from school or from a soccer team or a swim team or the volleyball team, and it's kind of always fun to catch up a little bit with that too. I think they do. I think they really understand the carpool situations and the extracurricular things going on after school, and I don't think I've ever waited a long time at all. They're always really, I think, respectful of our time. And now I think it's because I've been coming to the office for so long, I drop my kids off and feel really okay about doing that. And I think this is the only place that I would drop them off and run to Walmart or the post office or whatever. And that helps me too, because it kind of kills 2 birds with 1 stone. And like I said, I don't think I'd feel comfortable doing that anyplace else other than here. This is like, I feel like it's family, sort of. Well, what I like about the office, and particularly Dr. Wilhite, is that I feel like she's really honest and really upfront. There's never any fuzzy area. She communicates really well. She doesn't speak above me. I understand exactly what's going on in layman's terms or mom terms, what's going on with my kids' teeth. I just feel like she's real professional. She knows what she's doing, but she also understands parents, kids. I just think that she goes beyond what she really needs. She puts her personality into the office, and it's not just a business, or I feel like it's not just a business for her, that she really cares about us and she cares about our kids' teeth, and I just think she's just a cut above other places. You mean like the assistants yes. Oh, all of Dr. Wilhite's assistants are great. They all seem to be out of her mold, and will answer any questions. Again, that relaxed, calm demeanor, but always willing to, let you know what's going on. And I think they've answered any question I've ever really had. I've never walked out feeling confused about what was going on, ever. Oh, thanks. No, I just think she's an extraordinary lady. I really do. I think it's a great office. And in this day when it's rush in, rush out, she just takes that special time if you need it. And it kind of feels like an old hometown kind of office in a way. And you don't see that much today.